John Van Linden, New Zealand Sotheby's International in the Manawatu, and a beautiful location, 69 Collingwood Street in Hokowhitu. It's a very, very short walk to the beautiful walkways of the Manawatu River and of course the Esplanade. That matters. A beautiful leafy location, a traditional 251 square metre brick home, lovely inside. We've got 3 bedrooms, we've got a study area, we've got walk-in wardrobes, big en-suites, and of course 3 living spaces that you will adore. So let's have a little look through. 724 square metres a section. That's got to be good for the gardeners and outdoor lifestyle people. Well, we hope you've enjoyed the property here at number 69 Collingwood Street in Hokowhitu. As we've said, it's close to the river walks and of course the Esplanade, but there's a conclave of a few houses here and privacy is everything and a neighbourly environment is exactly here. So, a beautiful home, lots of storage, brick, easy care. We know you'll love this one. The rateable valuation's 1.130. We're open to offers. We'd love to see you soon through this house. Of course, anytime you like.